It is my pleasure to present this program on anterior bioaesthetics with freehand bonding. This is what I call composite to zero, because there are, as you will see, a number of new ideas and new protocols which have improved tremendously the quality of the work which we can do with composite nowadays. First, what is the place of direct bonding in modern dentistry? Do we still need freehand direct composites as much as we did in the past? That's something that I would like to reply. Which are the indications for using composites in the smile frame? Is composite also useful in the smile frame, or mainly to do fillings, eventually on the back teeth? What is the most relevant development in direct bonding? Is it of technical or clinical nature? And finally, how can I improve shade integration with composite resins? I'm looking forward to share with you some more material about tooth wear cases. Bye-bye.